Dollar Tree today, and I thought I would share what I picked up. You guys probably seen a lot of these items already, but I just wanted to do a quick haul because you guys say you want to see what I pick up. So I'm doing this in the car because I have company at home today. So I'm gonna do this in the car. I was doing Instacart today, and I thought this was a really cute craft. I was getting ready to check out, and the piñata craft kit, I had to really read it and say, do you make your own piñata or do you just glue the items on? But you make your little own. And I thought Si will love this. I'm gonna have to hide it from him. He's gonna be ready to do that. We don't do a lot of Halloween stuff, but since he's young, I thought it would be fun, and he's excited about everything, and he loves crafts. So I also picked up this pumpkin one. I picked this one up first, and then I thought he would get a kick out of the little Frankenstein. Then I got this Merry and Bright wood chip decor or letters. And then I saw this coming in, and I was going to get the, sorry y'all, the laundry. No, I did get the laundry one. I was going to get the kitchen one with the mason jar, and it has like the breakdown of the measurements of the teaspoons and cups and ounces and stuff. But I am due, I have purchased quite a couple of items for my laundry room, but it's not on the top of my list. My dining room is right now. So I thought this would be cute to put in there, or nice to put in there. They probably won't read it, but I thought it would be nice to put on a shelf or somewhere as decor. I didn't get the mason jar because I thought it would just be, I don't have a lot of surface space. Well, I do, but not for like decor like that. So I was like, it'll be clutter. I can just Google that, figure out the configurations of teaspoons and ounces and stuff. Okay, so then Sasa, he loves to come home and pretend like he has homework. His school does not give them homework. So he'll come home, he'll see JJ doing homework, and he'll want to do something, and he has been wanting to color a lot. So I picked him up a coloring book. Let's see. I was on the hunt for these because I saw these in Pamela's haul. Hey Pamela, if you're watching, her channel is Totally Pookie, and she hand makes a lot of her TNs, and she does hauls from Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, Tuesday Morning, all those different Michael's Crafty hauls and stuff. And so I saw these in her haul, and I didn't see them at mine because I was dragging my feet of going. And so they had one left for me today. I picked up two of these. I forgot to get these the other day in my really close Dollar Tree. Two of those. I should have got them from Aldi because they're cheaper. You get a whole lot more for $2.99. And then my local one, I think they're doing away with these. I'm not sure, but I could not find these. So I purchased some from Walmart, and I purchased some from Aldi. So I said every time I go in there, in the next closest one, I'll pick those up. Let's see. I picked up 3 of these, the electronic nail kit, and I got one for Mama, one for myself. I thought these were larger. On camera they look larger. One for myself, one for Mama, and my mother-in-law is at my house, so I picked one up for her in case she wants one. And then I saw these leaving. Well, they're with the travel section, and I got Jason and myself one, and twice I went to the gym this week, and my cordless ones were not charged, and they should have been charged. I made sure the second time, and they were not charging. So I will make sure I have some corded ones, regular earbuds. Buy me some. They always take mine, and put them in my purse because it just totally messes up your workout. There's the other two. I got the blue and the lavender, and then I got some High 57 sauce. I don't know how many Weight Watcher points this is. Hopefully it's not very much, but I was looking for the A1 because sometimes you just need it like on chicken or pork chop or something like that, and I've been really sticking to that. Down 2-point-something pounds this week, y'all. It's been tough, but I'm determined to really get this weight off and to at least get to 200. If I see 200, I'll be so happy. Okay guys, so thanks so much for watching. That's it. Oh, let me show you what I got from Michael since I've been so slack on my planner channel. I have not been picking up a lot of planner items lately. Usually if it's anything, it's from Gold Mining Coco. But I did break down and get this book today. It's a lot of new stickers that just came out, and the stickers that they had in the last release, I think I got maybe one of them, one or two. So yesterday I got the fall book, but today I got the mega book, the Brights. And this is $49 what I used. A Joann's 50% off because Michael's only had 40% off today. And yesterday I used a 60% off on a fall, their new fall seasonal books that they have. Let's see, what else did I get? There was a lot in here that I wanted. So I have so many stickers that I kind of only get what I really, really want now instead of just getting it. And then this one here, my camera focuses. It's a little notepad. This is from the Homebody collection. And it says things to do, places to go, important reminders, and I don't know what the last one is, y'all. Oh, it's nothing. It's nothing, it's blank. So this was $4.99. It wasn't on sale, but I figured it wasn't bad. And this is a good way to just jot your stuff down really quickly. So that's all that I picked up from Michael's and Dollar Tree today. And I'm going home and stop spending money. Bye-bye, y'all.